expand around first column. Okay, let's follow this recommendation and expand about the first column. So let's write determinant of matrix A is equal to, okay, first we have to consider that there's a sign, positive or negative, assigned to each of the positions. And you recall what that looks like. Let me draw it over here on the side. The upper left corner is a positive, and then we alternate negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. All you really have to do is remember this one, and then everything to the side and down alternate signs. So using this sign, positive or negative assignment, the first number we're going to expand about is the number -1. So that position comes with a positive sign, plus a positive. Now put the number -1 times the little mini determinant, which they call a cofactor in the book, acquired by crossing out the column and the row that -1 lives in. So look at the matrix, look at -1, cross out the column it lives in, cross out the row, and what's remaining? There's a 2 down below 6, a -3 down below -9. Do you see that? If you just lay your pencil over the row and then over the column that the number -1 lives in, all that remains are the numbers 2 down below 6, -3 down below -9. Okay, now we're ready for the next number to expand about. We're going around the first column, so work down. We're going to the next number in the column, 0. That position, according to our plus minus symbols, that comes with a negative number. So minus the number there is a 0 times the mini determinant formed by crossing out the row and column that the number 0 lives in. So lay your finger across the column and the row that 0 lives in, and what numbers are remaining? There's a 3 down below 6, a -1 down below -9. Do you see that? Cross out the column and the row that 0 lives in. And what remains on the top is 3, then way at the bottom is 6, then up on the right side a -1, and way down on the bottom a -9. And then we go on to our next number. The number 2 is the last number in the column. This is a process of finding the determinant of a 3 by 3. That position down there in that corner, according to this cloud, it comes with a positive assignment. And then the number, whatever it is, it's a +2 times the little mini determinant formed by crossing out the row and column that the number 2 lives in. If you cross out that row and column where the number 2 that we circled lives in, that leaves 3 down below 2, -1 down below, let's see, -3. Okay, so that means that we have, this is equal to positive -1. In other words, positive 1 times a -1 is still -1 times, okay, let's take the determinant, put a bracket here, cross product minus cross product. So we're going 2 times -9 is -18 minus cross product. 6 times -3 is -18. So we're taking the determinant of the little mini determinant, the little mini cofactor. It's cross product minus cross product. Then comes minus 0 times bracket cross product minus cross product. 3 times -9 is -27. Then we subtract the other cross product. 6 times -1 is -6. Then plus the next number, 2 times bracket cross product minus cross product. 3 times -3 is -9 minus 2 times -1 is -2. See, we know how to take determinants of little 2 by 2, so we broke down the big 3 by 3 into a series of little 2 by 2s. Let's continue here. That's a negative sign, a -1, times -18 minus a -18, that's 0, minus 0 times -27 plus 6 is -21, plus 2 times negative 9 minus a minus is plus 3 is negative 7. Okay, now, wherever we multiply by a 0, that's just going to be 0. Over here we're multiplying by 0, that's just 0. So the answer is 2 times negative 7, it's negative 14. That is the determinant of our 3 by 3 matrix.